Hello friends, I'm Ariel and I have airnikkiboutique here on Etsy. I also have airnikkiboutique 2. That is my new baby, but today we're focusing on this one. I'm going to show you guys how to purchase, download, and import a zip file or an SVG into Silhouette Studio. So here we are. We're going to use this palm tree. So before you purchase any file, go ahead and make sure it's the one you need. This has an SVG, PNG, and Studio 3 file. I include Studio 3 files for my Silhouette Cameo users that do not have the Designer or Business Edition upgrade. Without that, you cannot use an SVG file. So there you go, Studio 3. So you'll go ahead and add it to your cart or buy it now, which I've already purchased this file. So you will get an email from Etsy as soon as your file is ready and your payment is cleared. Sometimes I get emails from people and their payment is still processing, so it's usually pretty fast, but sometimes it, can take a few minutes. So here's the email. So you'll go ahead and view your file on Etsy, and here it is. It will have all the files that you can download. If you need to contact me and your order number. So you'll go ahead and download, which you can see I've already done. So we will get out of here and we will go to Silhouette. Might take a second. But for my Cricut users, I'm sorry, this isn't a tutorial for you right now, but if you would like to see one, go ahead and comment down below. So we will go up to File, we will click Open, we will go to Downloads, and here they are. This is the SVG file, the Studio 3 and PNG file. If you hold your arrow on it, it will tell you what it is. The SVG files, I get this question also. They're like, it's not there. It is here. It's palm trees, and it will show up as the internet browser that you're using. So this is Explorer. If you're using Google Chrome, it will have a Google Chrome icon, or Firefox, it will have that icon. So we'll go ahead and click on it, hit open, and there it is. So next, we will go ahead and extract the file for the Studio 3. So here, if you don't know how to do it, you will right click on your zipped file. You'll scroll down to Extract All. You'll go down to Extract, and there it is. So it is right here, opened up for you. A lot of the time, I find it easier if you just go ahead and move your file that you're going to be working with to the desktop. It's easier to find, and you don't have to go under Documents or be searching around, and I like it readily available. So we'll go ahead and open. We'll go to Desktop, and there it is. Your Studio 3 palm trees image. So it might take a second, you just wait, and there it is. So thank you guys for watching this. If you have any files that you would like to see in my shop, if you have any tutorials that you would like, go ahead and comment down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks.